Unraveling the meaning of "take a snooze," a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, take a snooze. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add a natural flair to your English. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning behind this interesting expression. Take a snooze is an informal phrase in English. It simply means to take a short nap or a brief sleep. This phrase is often used in casual conversations and is a more playful way to refer to napping. For example, if someone says, "I'm going to take a snooze," they mean that they are going to sleep for a short period. The word snooze comes from a mid-18th century word, which means a short, light sleep. It's interesting to note that snooze also connects to the phrase snooze button on an alarm clock, which is used to temporarily stop the alarm and allow for a few more minutes of sleep. This connection highlights the idea of a brief, comfortable pause in sleep. Let's look at some examples of how to use take a snooze in everyday conversations. 1. I'm feeling a bit tired after lunch. I might take a snooze before we meet again. 2. During the long flight, I took a quick snooze to refresh myself. 3. The baby usually takes a snooze around this time. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to describe the act of napping. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, take a snooze. Remember, learning such phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to take a snooze when you need a little break. Until our next lesson, happy learning!